In today's class, we are going to see what is the use of these tools in pen tool section. Whatever reason may be, we are confused when we have lot of tools. That too when we have drop down list of tools like these. Today in this video, we are going to see each little tool which is present below the pen tool section with an example. How can we use it and what is the use of those tools? And let's see what is the use of path selection tool and direct selection tool one by one with an example using default shapes. So let's start.
Pen tool is normally used for selection. For that we have to draw a path and make it as a selection. Here in pen tool we have path option and shape option. Path option is used for creating selections and shapes is used for creating shapes. If I move to shape option from path option, you can see there path is gone. No, it's here in the path section. The path will be saved here anytime. If we select, the path will visible on the document. Okay, let me create a shape and you can see there shape is also available in the path section. Let me apply fill color and stroke color of the shape. We can also increase the stroke size and make the line dotted and point if we want. We have lots of options in the menu bar. For all the tools listed here, each one will have path option and shape option. Let's move to next tool, Freeform Pen Tool. Freeform Pen Tool is used to select anything as soon as possible. Freeform Pen Tool also have path option and shape option. We have lots of options in the menu bar. Path option in Freeform Pen Tool. Let's create a path. Select the selection option. In the menu bar, you can see there a dialog box appears like make selection. In that, we have feather radius. This option will make our selection smooth, so we can increase the radius and decrease it how much we want. In the menu bar, we have more two options. It is mask and shape option. We'll teach you later. And Freeform Pen Tool is more similar to magnetic lasso tool. Next, curvature pen tool. For curvature pen tool, also I have done a separate video. We'll share the link in the description. Use of curvature pen tool is we can create anything super fast. And if we are not familiar with pen tool, they can use curvature tool and create path and shape. It is very easy to add point and delete point. You can see that we created a circle shape soon. This is all about pen tool, freeform pen tool and curvature tool. Let's see what's the use of add anchor point, delete anchor point and convert point tool using a shape as an example. Add anchor point. Let's create a shape and apply fill color and stroke color if needed. If we want to make this rectangle into rounded rectangle, we can press the circle and drag. You can see a small circle in the rectangle. If you click and drag it, it will make the particular area curve. We will get a rounded rectangle. And circle too if we create a perfect square holding shift. When we create shapes, we have to know that what is the use of path selection tool and direct selection tool. Direct selection tool will select the particular point in the shape. Path selection tool will select the entire shape. Now, if you plan to delete the point in the shape, select Delete Anchor Point and select the point which you want to delete. The point will be deleted. Now, if you want to add a point, go to Add Anchor Point and just click in the path. You can see there we got a point. To select the particular point, use Direct Selection tool and move it. If you see here, the point which I created is curve, but I don't want it as a curve. For that, we have to use a tool called Convert Point tool. Convert Point tool helps us to make the point curve and sharp. If we want to make that point curve, select the point and drag it. If we click on the point using Convert Point tool, it becomes sharp. And if we click and drag the point, it becomes curve.
This is how these tools work. In this section of tools, the major tools are pen tool and curvature tool. About these two tools, I have not explained clearly in this video. I have explained about these two tools in a separate video. I will share the link in the description. I hope the video was useful. I will share more tips and tricks in next video. Thank you.